Quantified AG is a company that was developed to simplify animal health management, and we specifically focused on feedlot cattle. A significant number of cattle get illnesses in feedlots, but because of their natural instincts, it's hard for people to pick up on those illnesses. The animals will try to hide their symptoms from people, but they can't hide those symptoms from electronics and data. We collect the electronic data for feedlot cattle through ear tags that we've developed, and we do the data analysis in the cloud. It made sense to grow the company and build a company right here in Nebraska because Nebraska is agriculture. As I was working through the company formation, Invest Nebraska was there with early on funding, like pre-seed round funding even. Invest Nebraska provided value beyond just the funding, and that was through mentoring and also networking in the startup community. Then eventually we were acquired. But the story didn't just end there. The team members here are still working in the company. There's been new team members added. The manufacturing still continues right here in Nebraska. So there's been a lot of job creation that's come about after the fact. And there's tons of other companies in our state that have similar stories to tell, where they started from the funding from Invest Nebraska and then went on to create lots of jobs here.